back here with another video with the Hyundai Genesis again, and today we are doing an unboxing of the ATQ Short Shifter. I haven't opened it yet, so we're gonna open it.
Well, it's not just an unboxing, it's an install.
And an install, yeah, unboxing and install.
So you're saying these cars don't really have a lot of options, huh, for short shifters?
Not really. I mean, I was looking around and people were saying this was the best, like, because other ones say that it'll cause vibration, like at certain RPM.
Basically, the others cause vibration.
With the cheaper ones, it causes vibration, yeah.
So how much was this one?
It was about $350 for the shifter and bushings.
Nice. While you do this, let's check out the plate. How much movement there is. Let's check it. Look at this. Honestly, it's quite a bit of play. Quite a bit. But dude, honestly, it feels pretty good already. It's definitely a longer play.
Here we go. First look.
Bubble wrap.
Sick. Woo. I mean,
Good.
So here's one of the bushings. Oh, this is
nice.
the shifter. Dang.
Looks sweet.
Actually looks pretty good.
It's all one piece of metal, huh?
Yeah.
It's
Basically, yeah. Actually pretty heavy.
It's a machine, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh, it looks pretty. Too bad no one's gonna see that.
And here's more bushings. So, but we'll show you where they exactly go soon. Basically, now you just want to jack up the car, get under the car.
You're gonna have to remove the middle portion of your exhaust, the cats, and you're gonna have to disconnect your drive shaft from the guido in order for you to get access and get room for what? The shaft, dude. Well, if I was doing that, I can unscrew this, because we're gonna have to do it anyway. Apparently the new short shifter is actually the same thread, so it makes it that much nicer. You know what I'm saying? Disconnect this little guy. Boop! Nice knob. Could move this as well. Just like that. Hey, is this why you don't go to the gym anymore? Mm-hmm. So it takes a little bit of finagling, but you remove the cats. A 19 mil. You're gonna need an open end wrench and a socket, right?
I mean, you don't have to take them off necessarily.
If you want just as most accessible route as possible, you gotta remove the heat shield. See, the exhaust is hanging down low. Drive shaft therefore should be able to get down lower, and then you'll have more room to access everything else down there. Well, and just like that, we haven't showed you because it's difficult to film, but you wiggle your way out, you wiggle the drive shaft out, it bends at the center, the center bearing. You wiggle it out, and that's only if you want as much comfortable space as possible to do this job. It's definitely gonna take longer, but it's doable, and whatever. Where are you in a hurry to, you know?
Once you have the drive shaft out, you'll need something to take this little pin out. Basically, you just pop it out, take the pin out on this side where the shifter is, and you'll have to do the same thing over there. I can't really show you, but like you'll see that part. Take the pin out, you kind of slide it up, slide the pin out. Same thing on that side. So basically there's two sides. You have to take it out. At that point, you unbolt these 4 bolts. All this whole thing pops out.
Easy to tight.
There you go.
Nice. What you have removed now is the shifter. It's the entire assembly. We're gonna be replacing the bushings and the shifter itself. What size were the bolts? Please.
These ones were 12.
12 mil.
These four bolts will be 12 mil.
So we're gonna replace these bushings right here.
These 1, 2.
That big guy, right?
This big guy, yeah. Oh yeah, I mean there's 4. So it's
2
one
on each side, right?
1, 2, 1, 2.
Yeah.
And this big one right here. That's pretty much.
And the shifter itself.
Let's get up. Yay!
Yay!
Yeah, no, this one weighs a lot more.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. Then you put everything back. Use some assembly glue, lube up that ball. Man, show them how you did it.
I'll show you. See, these ones are 2-piece, so you kind of one on each side. This one's I think it's one.
Factory or
Yeah,
one solid piece.
One solid piece. So what my technique is, I take a little screwdriver, so you kind of just sort of
Angle it down.
kind of angle down
Wow.
and just
That's sweet.
shove it in there.
Very nice. Put the new ones in and put everything back, dude.
Basically it, yeah.
Straight up.
1,
2.
2.
Nice. Yo, are you ready to experience?
Yeah.
No, you're not. You gotta put everything back first.
Oh, yeah, obviously.
Well, that'll be fun, right? Woo! There you go.
There you go.
Dude, the bushings alone are gonna make a difference.
Damn, bro.
While Val is putting everything back together, we can put this back together. Boom. Nice. Oh, dude, it's actually shorter by length too. Yeah, we're gonna make a Alcantara boot for this car to match the interior. Can't see, but yeah.
Show us how short it is, really, compared to the original one.
This first, second, third, fourth.
Yeah, it's only 4-speed.
Yep. It's all good.
No, but it's much stiffer too. Like, it's really hard to give it off on video, but it's much stiffer. I mean, a lot of it has to do with the bushings too, right?
I mean,
it's weighted.
Yeah. Other like from this one to the other one to my the old one, like this one's way better. Like, because from taking off the old shifter, like the bushing on the shifter itself on the OEM one was like bad. There was like one side was missing apparently, and I was like, what the heck? I didn't even know that was even a problem, whatever. So, but putting all the bushings into the new one or whatever, like, dude, it made a whole lot of a difference. Like,
Yeah.
Of just shifting and everything like that. Like,
That's
I mean,
awesome.
there's just that obviously that millisecond of like faster shifting, but like it makes a big difference. So I mean,
Track ready, bro.
Yes, I mean I recommend ATQ with the bushings 100%.
Yeah. All right. Link in the description. Check it down there.
Check it down there. All
That's
right.
it. Besides that, that's it. Just do the usual, man. Like and subscribe, share all the stuff, you know what I mean? Just do what you gotta do. We're gonna keep coming out with new videos, so stay tuned.
There you
Peace.
go.